People love to say, get out the low boards, get out the low boards. Those low boards got me a lot of the dedicated freight that I have had and that I still currently have as well. Those how you build relationships with brokers, and also how you build relationships with shippers as well. Like, I'm never opposed to not using the low board shit. If you gotta use it, use it. That it actually comes to an advantage sometimes. And they're saying that's why you get those low rates, because no, when it comes to reefers, flatbeds, or drive-ins, or box trucks, or sprinter vans, all of those type of freights right now, the market is down. The only ones that's not complaining is the ones that have specialized freight. It's a difference. When it comes to those equipments that I just named, the market is down. The economy is down as a whole. So unless you have specialized freight, shut up, because the market is down, regardless. I said it to say, I'm not saying that trucking is not lucrative, but just like in any business, you're going to go through things, and it's all about how you strategize and pivot through those times. Now, it's very lucrative if you want to be a broker, dispatcher, carrier. Trucking is where the money is, period. Like, that's where the money is. But if you're not mentally ready to fight through the bad times as well, and to strategize and to pivot through, I'm gonna be honest with you, you ain't gonna make it. It's time for somebody to be honest with these folks and just stop trying to take these people money just for the hell of it, and really just tell them the truth. Trucking is not fucking easy. Listen to me when I tell you. In no type of way, form, or fashion. Lucrative, yes. Hard, yes. Not hard, but challenging, yes. I'm tired of the people lying on the internet.